Hello everyone, my name is Isaac, and today, well yeah, you already know me, right? And today I'm going to make another tech review. I know the last one wasn't as, complete, it wasn't a serious one, but this time it will be. And today I'm going to review actually something I bought 2 months ago. The WI-C200 earbuds, or headphones. And for this video, it's going to be a legit review. I'm going to take a look at the specs, the price, and how it served me in my time of using it. The reason why I bought these earbuds was a simple replacement. I needed a replacement of earbuds. So why did I choose these earbuds? Well, for a time I always used wired, normal headphones. And I always used those because they're more affordable and I could, I always used them. And I didn't want to switch to wireless just yet. Sadly though, for like a year in Mexico, I had 3 sets of headphones and they always broke. So I was kind of sick of it, right? So what I decided to do was go with my dad and buy these headphones, the WI-C200 headphones, and try wireless for the first time. And I went with Sony, because it was affordable. It was a cheap price of $30. Right now you can buy it for $35 online. And yeah, I got them, and around 3 months later, I'm kind of, happy with the use of this product. The benefits are plentiful. It's good sound quality. It doesn't lower the aspect of that. The wireless connection is good. There's no sort of big delay or any of that stuff, right? They're comfortable. I like them a lot. I use them a lot because it has a lot of battery. That's the main thing too. The main reason why I didn't want to use wireless headphones was because maybe you have to charge them every single day, right? And these headphones, supposedly it lasts 15 hours. But for me, it lasted throughout the whole week. Sure, I used them like 2 hours per day, right? That's around 10 hours, right? But that is really good, in my opinion at least. And I managed to have those headphones around for at least a week before I need to charge them again. It was really interesting. It was really nice to have that. Though there are some negatives, and I'll admit there's not that many. The main thing with these headphones is the structure. So you wear them like this. You put them on your ears, right? And you're like this. The problem is that these two things are not like weighted enough, if that makes any sense. If you're going to walk in the park. I mean, these are obviously not meant for exercise, not like there's the other headphones out there in the market. But when I was walking in the park with these headphones listening to music, what would happen a lot was the wind would go over my face, right? And this side or this side, these little pod things would fall. And so you'd be listening to this and you have to move it back again to make it on your shoulders and not make it, uneven so it doesn't, stress the wire. That happened really frequently, especially when it was really windy outside. And honestly, that was a problem for me because, once in a while, that's fine. But if it happens literally every time, every minute, then it gets annoying. Obviously, that's the only negative. There's nothing else. There were some reviews saying that it broke for a few weeks, but I think that's just, an unlucky break, right? It just happened to be bad. That pair. At least. And this pair, though, it worked out fine. So, for advice, the product, it's not an exercise headphones. You don't use them to go outside running. And I didn't. I only use them to walk or when I'm playing with my friends on Discord or sitting down listening to music. So what I recommend is to at least make these heavier or something. So they wouldn't keep, falling outside your back every single time you wore them on a windy day or if you're walking a little fast by any chance. So for my final rating, I'd say these headphones definitely get a good score. I'm not going to score it just yet for the simply because I only had them for 3 months. If I had them for another 6 months, then I rate it with a higher score. I'd rate it out of 5, honestly, because these headphones are really useful. And I honestly like the sound quality and I like everything about them, just besides the fact that you can't really wear them on a windy day. So with that concludes my video. Obviously, this is a lot shorter. a lot more serious and, you know, more beneficial to the channel to actually review these products. We haven't done a tech review in a while, or at least a legit one. So I decided to make, you know, a video about these headphones that I just bought. So that's for me, my video for the week. And yeah, see you later.